Welcome, guys. I am super excited to launch my latest offering, which is the Scrum Mastery Playbook Group Coaching Program. This is your guide to becoming an exceptionally great Scrum Master. You all have asked time and time again, and I have finally delivered. For the longest time, I've been having one-on-one coaching just due to my busy schedules, but I've received so many emails that I'm like, I need to serve this audience, and I know how you all want to learn and grow so that you all can be exceptional, get your jobs, and just achieve your goals. So I am super excited that I'm able to create that time and create that course and that program that will guide you on your journey to becoming an exceptionally great Scrum Master. So what I like to do with today's video is really to kind of walk you through what the Scrum Mastery Playbook is all about so that you can be ready to smash your goal. I have one goal with this coaching program, and this is to enable Scrum Masters go from beginner level to mastery level. That is my goal. I want to walk with you. I want to be with you on that journey as you embrace all of the learning and you begin to implement and practice everything you need to be successful in this role. All right. So what is Scrum Mastery Playbook? This is an intensive Agile coaching program that is supported by weekly live sessions for Scrum Masters who want to go from beginner level to mastery level in 10 weeks. So there are 10 modules with several lessons. There are things for you to do. It's an intensive coaching session, and this will be followed by a weekly live session with me where I will guide you through what you've learned, and you'll be able to ask me questions. I will answer your questions, and you will be able to learn and grow together. So this is not a joke, and ensure that you are ready to go all the way because success is ahead for you. So how do you know if the Scrum Mastery Playbook is for you? The Scrum Mastery Playbook is for you if you're an aspiring Scrum Master trying to get into a Scrum Master role. So you may have gotten your certification and you're in the job market trying to find a role, or maybe you don't even have a certification and you just heard about it and you're wondering, how should I even go about it? This is your guide. I am going to guide you every step of the way and give you the right advice, give you the right resources, give you the right knowledge, give you that support that you need to achieve success. So if you have no job, if you're completely new to this, then this playbook is for you. Can I join if I'm a complete beginner? This is one question that I believe a lot of people have asked, even for my personalized one-on-one coaching. And yes, this program is designed for you. It is designed for people who are at the beginner level of their Scrum Mastery journey. So the only thing you might know about Scrum might be the word Scrum. The only thing you might know about Scrum might be the fact that there's a role called the Scrum Master role, and you're looking to learn more, you're looking to grow. This is the program for you. What's included in the playbook? This is one question that I get a lot. What am I going to get out of this playbook? This playbook is a 10-module playbook that is going to walk you through the concepts that you need to get a Scrum Master job and succeed in the role. Many people that have gotten their jobs after attending this coaching program still find the course very relevant because it's something that they can always go back to every time when they need something, because the modules and the lessons are jam-packed. It's intensive, and it is your coaching guide. And this is a program that you're going to have with you for quite a while. And so you can always go back to it to find out how to execute something or how to implement something. Okay. So what I'm going to do here will be to onboard you into the course so you kind of have an idea of the details of what each of the modules are and what each of the lessons within the modules are. Okay, so we have 10 modules, and the first module is really Agile fundamentals. This is where you learn the basics of Agile. You learn everything that kind of gets you started on this Agile journey. Module 2 is Agile Essentials. This is where you learn the essential tools and resources in the Agile space. And then Module 3, we focus into product management. And then Module 4, we focus into Agile metrics. Module 5, we focus into how to facilitate the Agile events that you will be doing on a day-to-day basis. And in Module 6, we're going to focus on your resume. How do you build your resume? How do you prep your resume? And this is where you actually start applying for those jobs. So 6 weeks into this program, guess what? You're already out there in the market applying for jobs. On the 7th module, we're going to talk about what it really means to embrace the Scrum Master role. Module 8, we're going to focus on how do you serve teams in a skilled environment. And Module 9 will be your mock interview. So you are going to get interviewed by myself and a panel. So you have to stay prepared. And this is what you start testing out what you know and your confidence level in answering some of those questions. And Module 10 really provides you the Agile templates and resources that you will need once you get started on the job. And it ranges from several templates that you will need. Now, let's get into detail of each of those modules so that you begin to have an exact feel of everything that will be involved in this program. So for Module 1, you're going to learn about the history of Agile. You're going to learn about the Agile frameworks, and you're going to learn lean thinking. Module 2, you're going to learn about the tools for managing work and communication. You're going to learn the Agile practices and the concepts that are out there. And you're going to begin to start learning some of those Agile anti-patterns so that you know what is right and what is wrong. In Module 3, we're going to deep dive into product management. We're going to learn about product roadmap. How do you build a product roadmap? And then you're going to learn about Agile product delivery. Now, for Module 4, you're going to deep dive into Agile metrics, where we're going to break down the Scrum metrics, the Kanban metrics, and the product metrics. Now, we're going to deep dive into Module 5, where you're going to learn how to facilitate Agile ceremonies effectively. So you're going to learn how to facilitate the daily stand-up. You're going to learn backlog refinement, the sprint review, sprint retrospective, and the sprint planning session. So these are extensive lessons that you will be learning. Now, going to Module 6 is where you're going to be updating your resume and getting prepped out, and you are going to actually apply for your first job on this module. Now, moving on to Module 7, we're going to look at the Agile Mindset Mastery. What is the mindset that you need? How are you going to build an extraordinary team? You're going to have a comprehensive Scrum Master checklist for your first 30 days on the job. You're going to learn about the common challenges faced by Agile teams, and you're going to learn about the Scrum Master stances. Now, moving on to Module 8, you're going to learn, what a skilled environment is, what are the skilled frameworks, and how does a Scrum Master, work and operate in a skilled environment. And you're going to learn about managing dependencies in a skilled environment. Now, Module 9 is where you're going to have your mock interview. So here, you should be ready. You've learned so much. You've begun to implement, and it's time to go to war. So this is where you're going to have your mock interview to kind of prep you for a real interview where you're going to build your confidence, know how to answer questions, and just be good to go. And finally, Module 10 is where you're going to have the Agile templates and resources that will be needed, in your place of work. So you're going to have several templates from definition of done, definition of ready. How do I create that? How do I set up that workshop with my team? What are team norm templates that I can use with my team? You're going to actually even get a Scrum Master training manual so that if you are in any position where you are required to train your team, you already have a template. You already have a workshop training material to kind of clean up and get ready. And also you're going to have a product roadmap template so that just in case your team doesn't have a roadmap, your product owner doesn't know how to create one, you already have a template that you can use to provide that support. And you're going to have several team assessment templates also that will help you. So this is a very, very comprehensive playbook, and I'm super excited to be able to deliver this for you. So the next steps, if you're ready to dive in, you're ready to move to that next level of your career, visit the website at scrummasteryplaybook.com, and you have two options to choose from. We have the personalized one-on-one coaching program, where if you want to just kind of have one-on-one with me, you can pay for that option. Or if you want a cheaper option where you want to be in a group coaching program with other people who are in the same pace as you, where you can build together, learn together, then the group coaching option will be your option. So feel free to subscribe to any of those options, and you can always send an email to Online Agile Coach gmail.com if you have any questions for payment plan options, or if you have any questions whatsoever. We accept 2 payment plans. So in case you want to pay twice, you have that option available. So just feel free to reach out. I am super excited, and congratulations on making that step to take your career to that next level. And I am waiting for you to provide you the support that you need. So I will catch you on the inside.